Welcome to createTempView. In this video, we are going to learn how to use createTempView in PySpark. Often we get to these situations where we are very comfortable writing SQL queries, and maybe we have data frames, and in the data frame joining is not that easy for us. In those cases, what we can do, we can use create a temporary view. In that case, once we have that temporary view, we can run the SQL queries. That's exactly the createTempView function will do for us. So createTempView creates a temporary view of a data frame. It allows you to run SQL queries on the data frame directly using a Spark SQL. The temp view is a session based scoped and will disappear once your Spark session ends. So if I'm running right here, this is my session. Once this is gone, the view will be also gone. And these are the benefit, as I said, that if you want to run SQL queries and you want to join them, or all those complex things that looks easy for you to do on the SQL side instead of PySpark, then this is the right place. You will use the createTempView and then write your SQL code. So here's my data, and we have a name and department and salary. So these are the columns for the data, and here we are creating a new data frame called the DF by using a createDataFrame function. We provided this data for this data frame and the list of the columns for the schema. Now our data frame is ready, and we can go ahead and execute, and let's take a look on the output. So very simple. We have this data frame with the name, department and salary. Now if we want to reuse it, and you want to use especially the SQL queries, we can simply create a temporary view. So you will say df dot create or replace temp view, and then provide the name of that view that you would like to create. So it is going to create a temporary view for our data frame. So let's execute this code, and now that will be done. And now we are ready to use it. So let's say if I want to select all records from this employee view, then I can simply say result1, that's my data frame, and then I'm saying spark.sql here, and then I'm providing my select star from employee view. So that's our view just we created on top of it, and then we are showing the results, results.show. Okay, let's execute, and then we will be able to see the results. So right here we have all the records from our view now. So in the view we have everything coming from the data frame that we had. So we just created the view for this data frame. Now what we can do here, if we want to filter employees from our sale department, we can do that as well. Here I'm creating a result set to result2 data frame, and in the query I'm saying spark.sql select name salary from employee where this department is equal to sale. So this is my SQL query, simple to write, and then I'm showing this results. So let's execute this one, and you will see where only we have data from sales department. So we have two records from the sale. Now if you want to do some average, you can do that as well, group by. So in the result 3 we are calculating average salary by department. So select department, average salary as average salary from this employee view, group by department, and then we are printing out our results. And here is your department, and then there is the average salary calculated. So everything is done by the SQL queries here, if you see right there. And first we created the view, and once the view is ready, then you can write all those different SQL that you want to write to analyze or perform analysis on your data frame. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.